Hey guys, welcome to Bake Flow. Today I'm going to show you how to make Reese's Blondies. Hey, can you watch this on the fly?
On the fly.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm trying to have a good time and make people coffee. And she has the audacity to come over here and ask me to wash this. And then furthermore, add on the fly. I have other things I need to be doing up here.
How does that make you feel?
Neglected. It makes me feel like I'm her makeup person and she's in the spotlight. And like, you know, who's gonna carry the boat? Who's doing all this? Who makes Bake Flow possible? It's you and me, Jared.
Right.
Not her.
Yeah. It's usually the people behind the scenes that make it happen.
Yeah, the BTS crew. Am I right, Chloe? Yeah, you're right. Agree with me. So anyway.
Alright people, got scones.
Oh,
And we're underpaid and understaffed.
We're underpaid, understaffed workers. We have to do the grunt work so that Ariel can be successful.
Alright, is that done?
Look, it's not even fast enough. I'm putting my
on now.
effort, my brow sweat,
I just need the pan.
and she.
Oh no, my timer.
Apparently not fast enough for her. Why don't you just take this one? This one was clean, you know?
So mean.
Right, what are we filming now?
So
Ariel,
mean.
what are you making?
Okay, I'm gonna make Reese's Blondies.
Is that your phone I have? Oh no.
No, I wish. Broken in the corner. Yeah, so I'm making Reese's Blondies. This recipe is originally from delish.com. You've probably seen their Facebook videos, but I love these. These sell out like crazy. I've actually had like 3 people ask me about them this week, so gotta make them again, I guess. Yeah, so these Blondies are moist. It's like a big like cookie bar with like little miniature Reese's bites in them. So if you like peanut butter and chocolate, this is the dessert for you. So we're gonna start with putting a stick and a half of butter in our bowl. This is like room temperature. Oops. So stick and a half of butter. And then we're gonna put a half cup of peanut butter. Use any kind of peanut butter you like. I use this one because this is all we have, so half cup. I've never tried crunchy peanut butter for this, but
Don't.
yeah. Don't. I like crunchy peanut butter. Maybe not for this though.
I hated crunchy peanut butter.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't mind it. PB&J, crunchy peanut butter. It's good. Okay, half cup of packed brown sugar. There we go. And then, where's my, okay, 1 cup of white sugar. Gotta do both the sugars in there, you know. And then we're gonna mix this all together for 2 minutes. All right, on medium speed. Get that nice and creamy. So we have that going. And once that's all mixed together, we're gonna put in 2 eggs. So we'll wait like a minute or so. Okay, so that's kind of mixed up. I put the eggs in here. One at a time. And then we're gonna put 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. About 2. You can measure it out.
About 2 teaspoons?
Yeah. I always just eyeball it because it's not, you know.
When you're a professional, that's how you do it.
Well, I'm not professional by any means. But I feel like I know what 2 teaspoons looks like now. Okay, so this is all mixed up, as you can see. If you want to take a look, the consistency is very nice. And we're gonna add in our dry ingredients now, which is gonna be 2 cups of flour.
Do you want to taste that first?
Might get sick because it's raw flour.
Who does that?
My friend Mackenzie actually eats flour just by the spoonful, like it's sugar or something. Kind of weird. Okay. Now we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of salt and then 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I mean baking soda, sorry. Baking soda, not powder. Alright. Go in there. Now we're gonna mix this up. Alright, that's mixing in there nicely. And I'm gonna grab my Reese's. For these, I'm gonna use the Reese's Mini. They're all unwrapped already. You can use the regular, what's the step above Mini?
Mini cups?
Yeah, the mini cups. You can use the mini cups, but I just hate unwrapping 30 of them, so I just get the mini ones and they're all unwrapped for me. Okay, our dough looks really good. We're gonna use our peanut butter spatula and just scrape this off like so. Yeah, sometimes like this recipe is so easy. Probably one of the easiest things that I make here. And sometimes the easiest ones are the best ones. You know, it doesn't have to be fancy for it to be good. So I have my butter, peanut butter, sugar, eggs, sugar, I already said sugar, flour, salt, vanilla, and my baking soda in here. It's all mixed in there really nicely. I'm gonna grab my 13 by 9 pan and put parchment paper over the top like we always do. We're just gonna scoop the dough in here. This is a little thicker because it's more of like a cookie dough, so I'll have to spread it around a little more, but it's really thick. Okay, whoops. Just gonna work this into the pan. Yeah, I love Reese's anything, so this dessert is one of my favorites. Just peanut butter and chocolate is just so good. Whoops. Alright. This looks kind of even, so we'll just leave it at that. Alright, so we're gonna take our Reese's Minis. They kind of melted a little bit, so I just gotta break it up and then put it in the freezer. Alright, we're gonna use this entire bag of Reese's. What? Yeah, back there. So, we're just gonna lay these little guys in here. I'm having a really hard time with this. This is really hard. Okay, wait. Got some other ones. Okay, as you can see, my Reese's are all in here, kind of evenly. Had a few chunks that didn't break apart, but I just threw those in there. It's gonna go in at 350 for 28 minutes, maybe. We'll check on it at 28. So yeah, we're gonna make room in here. So this is gonna go in the oven at 350 for 25 minutes. I know I said 28 earlier, but let's just do 25, just in case, you know, it's in there too long. Gotta set my handy watch timer. Whoops, okay, wait. All right, 26 is fine. Start timer. All right, 26 minutes. See you then.
Me and Michaela should have our own show.
Let me take it. Yeah, appreciate you.
What do you got there?
Come on! Come on, it's okay. Gotta warm up the air fryer. Come on!
What kind of mozzarella stick is this?
All right, our blondies are ready. There we go. That was in for about 30 minutes and looks a little bit soft, but cookies always cook whenever, like cook longer whenever they're cooling, so it's okay if it's a little undercooked. But yeah, so that's gonna cool for about 10 minutes and then we'll make a frosting for it. Okay, finally, I'm gonna cut our Reese's Blondies up. Okay, now I'm gonna make two different types of toppings for it. Peanut butter and chocolate. For my chocolate, I have about a half cup of chocolate chips in here. I'm gonna put a tablespoon of vegetable oil inside a microwave safe bowl. That's about a tablespoon. And we're gonna heat this up for 30 seconds. Okay, for my other topping, I have about a half cup of peanut butter in a microwave safe bowl, and I'm gonna put like a tablespoon and a half of honey. It's about a tablespoon and a half. And we're gonna also heat this up for 30 seconds. All right. You think I need to smile more? No, Chloe, no samples.
No samples.
I didn't make any.
What are you doing here then?
I didn't make anything new.
There's some raw flour back there you can try.
Oh my God. No, not a thing, people. Not a thing.
It is for Mackenzie Grace Fit.
Verified.
I'm just like roasting her this whole time.
Verified.
So check it out. My oil and chocolate is nice and melted. Ready to spread on these bad boys. So what I'm gonna do, ow, it's hot. I'm gonna put peanut butter on first, and we're just gonna drizzle it on like so. Did like half of it. We can alternate. I'm gonna grab the chocolate sauce. Now this just adds like extra flavors, extra sweetness, and who doesn't like extra frosting drizzles on their baked goods? And that's the last of it. And these Reese's Blondies are finally done. Now I'm gonna grab one of them for you guys to look. As you can see, the insides are really moist. It's really dense. It's kind of just like a big cookie. And it has like this nice drizzle on top. So you definitely need to come in and try them. Not today, because whenever this video comes out, they probably won't be here, but next time, because we make them pretty regularly. So thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, wait, again. What am I saying again? Like, comment, and subscribe. Wait, no, wait. Thanks for watching Bake Flow. Like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks for watching Bake Flow. If you want to see more videos, like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.